In this lesson, we'll learn about body action verbs with hands.
Clasp,
Clasp. They have clasped their hands together.
crumple,
Crumple. He crumples the paper while angry.
facepalm,
Facepalm. He facepalmed when saw the spelling mistakes in that email.
grasp,
Grasp. The baby is grasping his mother's finger.
pick someone's nose,
Pick someone's nose. Please don't pick your nose in the class.
spank,
Spank. The angry father spanked his child.
pluck,
Pluck. She is plucking some flowers for her mother.
flip someone's hair,
Flip someone's hair? She flipped her hair and winked.
twirl someone's hair,
Twirl someone's hair. She twirled her hair and thought about her friend's behavior.
wring,
Wring. Please wring all the water from the soaking wet shirt.
poke,
Poke. Andy poked his friend John with his pencil to ask him something.
pinch,
Pinch. He pinched her nose.
itch,
Itch. My back itches.
pat,
Pat. I wanted to pat the cat, but it scratched my hand.
punch,
Punch. He punched Jack in the face and knocked his teeth out. This class is finished. Please repeat and practice until the next video. If this video was useful for you, please subscribe us, like and share the video.